This is Lewis and you're watching Taking Lewis. So in few days you have if you are in tech industry, then you know that Google has just announced their latest Google Pixel 6 series coming with Tensor processors, and there is a big leak that is come in tech industry, that is the latest Tensor processor are the rebranded of the Samsung Exynos processor, and the leak is coming that the Tensor processor is made by the Samsung, and this Tensor processor is rebranded of Exynos processors, and this Tensor processor powers between Exynos 2100 that is used in Samsung S21 Ultra in India, and between 2100 Exynos and upcoming Exynos 2200. So this is the confirmed news that is I got from my source, guys. So if you like, then please subscribe my channel, because 1k is very near and we have to complete 1k. Please subscribe, guys, please subscribe. So okay, bye.